Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the microphone in your phone. Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. To achieve this specific look, we are going to need a high quality brush that features slightly stiffer and much longer bristles, so that it just bounces back so you can clean with it normally, so it doesn't bend too much and so there isn't any resistance. If you don't have a specialized one like that, then an ordinary brush with medium or soft bristles will be enough. In addition, we need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, so that after cleaning it evaporates, and during cleaning it softens the dust, so that the dust can come out easily from the place where the microphone ensures air access. We actually have a specific cleaning brush from such a kit. You can easily buy it separately on Allegro or Amazon, or really wherever you like to shop online. So we carefully moisten the small brush with some isopropyl alcohol thoroughly. So that it's wet. We take the phone in our hand. Of course, the phone must be turned off. The microphone is on this side, right here. And we need to clean it, meaning a few times in each direction. First downwards, then upwards a few times each. Then move it carefully to one side and then over to the other, just to make sure you get every bit of the dust out of that deep hole, so that the microphone has completely free and unobstructed access to the air. And then it will simply work better. So 5 to 10 times in each direction, and then switch like that in every direction. Up, down, right, left. That would be all for this microphone. I should also clean the second microphone from just removing the dust on the loudspeaker upwards. And we clean this microphone the same way. So also 10 times in one direction, 10 times in the other direction. Move them up and then back down for a total of 10 repetitions each. Once we've cleaned it, we put the brush aside, set the phone down, and leave it for about 10 minutes so the alcohol can evaporate. This is very important so you don't damage anything. The phone. Only after about 10 minutes do we turn the phone on, and then we can use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.